Well, every year, the Fairfax County Office of Human Rights and Equity program puts on a Fair Housing Month program, and that consists of training in the mid-morning along with the luncheon and a keynote speaker in the afternoon. So this year we're doing it. It's the 45th year, the passage of the Fair Housing Act. The Fair Housing Act followed the Civil Rights Act of 1964. So essentially what it does is it prohibits discrimination based on protected classes, federally protected classes, with respect to either renting, purchasing, seeking financing for housing. The training today essentially deals with disability issues and accessibility issues, which is probably the largest growing class of claims that we actually see. So what they're doing is they're going to be putting on about a 90-minute training. Typically, what you have in there are real estate professionals, and I think that's very important. They do excellent work. They're headquartered out of Washington, D.C., but they do work here in Northern Virginia, over into Maryland, so we're very happy to partner with them. The services that the county provides is that you can come to our office and we can investigate allegations of housing discrimination, whether it's, you were denied a loan, or you were steered in a particular neighborhood, or someone failed to rent to you or was reluctant to rent from you. You can contact us. Our phone number is 703-324-2953. You can call us directly, set up an intake appointment, and we can take those allegations, see if it forms the basis of a complaint, and we'll fully investigate that matter.